Their ship name is terrible too. All of them are mine.
Your New Year's Eve party is gonna be the biggest and best thing in the universe. This is a big gaping anus lamp or something. You're gonna love it. French? 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 Still not responding. Don't be gross. I love Fruity Pebbles. Oh, the meat.
And I'm not sorry for that one.
This is a piece of paper. Get ready, y'all.